Hi there, in this video I will show you how to change password in Blockman Go. So for this, first of all, launch the app. Here it will take few seconds while launching. Once the app is open, you will be landed to this page here. Once you are here, now click on right bottom corner which is called menu and now click on security. As you click on security, there you will find two options, that is to modify password and send binding mailbox. You need to click on modify password here and then a code will send to your binding mail. So click on next. As you click on next, code will send to that email. So let me go back and open my mailbox first. Copy the code that they sent and now open the game again, and here you need to paste that code and then click on confirm. From here you can enter new password and repeat new password and then click on done. So in this way your password will be changed on Blockman Go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.